It's the early morning. Sun is up on the 30th of July, 2026. I'm on a ley line right between Pyramid Rock and Cathedral Rock. And this we have is our pomegranate tree, but technically it hasn't been uh, pruned to be a tree, so it's now much more of a shrub. But we have our pomegranates. And an interesting story in legends in the Bible when they talk about eating the apple in the Garden of Eden. There is no apples in the Middle East, but there is pomegranates. Sacred tree, very lively. All these big, beautiful orange blossoms turned into this amazing fruit that's yet to fully ripen. But I haven't seen one of these guys in over a month. And all of a sudden, one of them showed up out of the blue. The six. Stunningly beautiful blossom. Turns into such beautiful fruit. Kunakia. Ooh. Sing your song. Nature getting back to Mother Nature. Kunakatia ka.